Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using rsync over SSH to a new provider VPS, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have SSH access to both the old and new VPS providers. Open your terminal application on your local machine. Log into your old VPS using the SSH command. Replace user and old _VPS_IP with your old VPS's username and IP address. Once logged in, check the directory structure and identify the files you want to transfer. Next, log out of your old VPS. Now, log into your new VPS using SSH. As before, replace user and new _VPS_IP accordingly. Create a directory on the new VPS to receive the files. Use the command mdir/your directory to create the directory. Now, return to your local terminal and prepare for the rsync command. The basic syntax for rsync is rsync of the SSH user at old _VPS_IP /path/ to /files/ path/ to /local/ directory. Replace /path/ to /files with the path of the directory you want to copy from your old VPS. Replace /path/ to /local/ directory with the corresponding path on your new VPS. Next, execute the rsync command you just constructed. Monitor the transfer progress in the terminal. Once the transfer completes, verify the files on the new VPS. Log into your new VPS and navigate to the directory where the files were transferred. Ensure that all intended files and directories are present and intact. If any files fail to transfer, check the rsync command output for any errors. After confirming the successful transfer, you can now delete the files from your old VPS if desired. Ensure to back up any important data before deletion. Finally, update any configurations or references that point to the old VPS as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.